course anyone get their hair colored. No, ma'am. No, sir. No dog, no cat. You cannot. Because, and that's the truth. If your hair is in an unhealthy state and you're really just trying to color it to make it look good, no. Preserve your hair. Because, one thing about it, once hair breaks off, it breaks off. And I definitely think that if your hair is in a healthy state and you are good with your maintenance, meaning like you see your stylist regular, and I'm not talking about every week or every 2 weeks, I mean at least every 8 weeks, they know your face, they know your regimen, and you have a regimen, and you have a regimen at home, you have the great products at home, and you keep up with stuff, then definitely, you probably can definitely be a candidate for color. But if you are the type of person, well, one day I want color, next day I want the relaxer, one day I want extensions, next, and you don't have a consistent regimen, and you're kind of just bouncing all over the place, and you're bouncing between different salons, and one person put this on their hair, and then you go to the next salon and say, well, I want color, and you know you have to be stable when it comes to hair color. You have to be stable with hair care, period. You want to make sure that you take in consideration, where's my hair strand, when's the last time I had a relaxer, or am I shedding any, if I'm going through any chemical imbalances in my body. All those things come in consideration. One myth though that floats around is that I can't get color because I have a relaxer. I just get black rinses. Now that is very incorrect. Yes, you can have color if you have a relaxer. Yes, you can. But you have to make sure someone knows what they're doing when they're doing it. It's very possible, and you can have nice color. You don't have to have a black rinse. I actually try to stay away from black rinses as much as possible. I do not believe in them because they box people in. So, but at the end of the day, you can definitely do it, but you just gotta research your market and understand who really knows how to do color. And you can tell by the verbiage they use. They don't use rinses. They say semi-permanents. They don't use, just color, say I'm getting a permanent color. They look at the levels. They understand levels. They understand tonal values. They understand depth. So when you hear those terms, they know what they're talking about usually. Other people say, they'll give you a book and say, pick which swatch you want, and once you pick that swatch, then they put that on your hair. No, that is not color at all. That's not a chemist, and you have to know what a colorist is versus a kitchen that just kind of puts on anything and puts a rinse here and mixes up this here, and she uses the same products that you can buy from a beauty supply store down the street. No, you want professional color, and you want a professional to do it.